Just go. Just go.
Oh
just go.
my god.
Wait.
What's up, guys? Welcome. Let's start again. What's up, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. My name is Sharon, and today I'm here with Jessica. And today we are taking our friendship to another level. Like literally we're at like level 10. We're going to level 1 million, bro.
Yeah.
We are going to do the 24-hour handcuff challenge. You heard it right here, folks. We are handcuffing each other. We are going out in public. We are doing other things. I don't know what yet, but you know, it'll come to us.
Yeah.
But before we start, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Let's give them 5 seconds to subscribe. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Are you subscribed yet?
I'm pretty sure they are.
Okay, if they're not, then are you good, man? So it's 11:37 and we are starting the challenge at 12. Now we're gonna handcuff each other.
Yes, I'm ready.
Woo! 2 girls handcuffed. What did I say yesterday? 2 best friends handcuffed.
Yeah.
No, I was like, it's like if they ask us like what we're doing, we're like, oh, we're just 2 girls handcuffed to each other.
Yes.
So if we go out to a restaurant,
not weird at all.
it's not weird. Of course not. We're best friends.
Totally
it's
normal.
normal for friends to handcuff each other,
Yeah.
right?
Totally normal. Yeah, do that.
Oh God, there's 55 seconds left on the clock.
Okay.
What if I just handcuff myself to a pole for 24 hours? If this video, wait, no, that's not even possible.
It's not. You don't.
It's 12 right now, and
We're handcuffed.
we're already handcuffed.
You got this.
Yeah. Guys, please
Uh,
wish us luck. I'm
yes.
sorry. I had to pull in my hair. Okay. Yeah. Guys, it's been 34 minutes, and my arm is getting tired, and hers is getting tired too. But you know, it's fine. We got this.
It's the love shot. Na, 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 na. 조금씩 바래어가 매일 더 깊어져 그럼 스포를 하지마 나에겐 목소리가 없어 오늘도 그 소리를 들어 들리고 있어 그 소리가 I'm so sick of this fake love fake love fake love I'm so sorry but it's fake love fake love fake love I wanna be a woman just for you 세상을 줘는 just for you 전부 바꿔서 just for you 나를 넘어 who are you Hey 우리만의 rules 너는 없어 내가 완전 blue 잊어버렸어 나도 내가 누구였는지도 잘 모르게 됐어 거울에다 뒤걸려봐 너는 대체 누구야 위해서라면 연습도 깊은 척할 수가 있었어 널 위해서라면 난 아파도 강한 척할 수가 있었어 사랑이 사랑만을 너 완벽하게 내 모든 점들은 다 숨겨지게 이루어지지 않는 꿈속에서 이룰 수 없는 꽃을 키웠어 Lying so bad, lying so bad 날 위해 입에까지 쓸기 전에 Why you so mad, why you so mad 날 지워내 여기도록 해 Lying so bad, lying so bad 날 위해 입에까지 쓸기 전에 Why you so mad, why you so mad 날 지워내 여기도록 해 처음에는 널 알아보게 됐어 서로 불러왔던 것처럼 내 혈관 속에 네가 말해줘 널 찾아 헤매도 뭐라는 거야 우리 만남은 화의 공식 Don't go where you are Away from me 우리는 좀 달라 baby 너를 찾아낸 세게 놀라 신기하게 자꾸만 숨이 멎는 참 이상해 설마 이런 게 말로만 듣던 사랑이란 감정일까 애초부터 내 심장은 널 향해 두니까 하지 말라 이 모든 건 우연이 아니니까 우리 완전 달라 baby 운명을 찾아낸 둘이니까 내가 생긴 그날부터 계속 우리 세계를 넘어서 계속 우리 전생에도 아마 딴생에도 영원히 함께니까 난 두려운 걸 초라해 I'm so afraid 결국엔 너도 날 또 떠나버릴까 또 가면을 쓰고 널 만나러 가 할 수 있는 건 정원에 이 세상에 예쁜 너를 닮은 꽃을 피운다 네가 아닌 나를 숨쉬는 곳 But I still want you 사라진 무너진 홀로 남겨진 이 모래성에서 부서진 가면을 바라보면서 And I still want you But I still want you I still want you And I still want you
Oh, okay, we're done with it. Oh, yeah, got you that song.
시작은 뭐 즐거웠었네 오르락내리락 그 자체로 어느새 지쳐버렸네 애매한 감정선에 반복된 시선 속에
Step back. Wait, should we get up through my side?
No.
Why?
I don't think we can.
Okay, then let's get up through your side.
I don't want to hit a car. Oh, fuck.
What? There's no one.
There's no one. There's still people there.
Oh. There's people everywhere, Jessica.
Do you have your money?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it.
Alright. Hold up. Wait.
I don't know. There's a person there. He's laughing. I don't know why.
Ow! Jessica! Where's the handle?
Go.
I can't get out. Hold up.
Put your hand.
Okay.
Fine.
Where you don't have a thing like that?
No way.
Okay.
Don't. You guys staring.
I know.
Oh God, no. Just
Hold up. Yeah. Alright, let's get out. Wait, I can't get it. I need your.
Oh my God.
Alright, let's go. Let's go. Oh my God, too cool.
Oh my God, we're gonna more on me.
Hello.
Hi. Okay.
I'm gonna tie my shoe. Here, hold this.
I want the Oreos.
Wait,
Guys, look at all this.
just flip the camera.
I can't flip the camera.
Should we get the Oreo?
Yeah.
Hold up. There's a lot of people in here. So we found some chocolates. Yeah. Let's go.
Help him out. No, look, we're gonna do the challenge. Look, they ran from the police. So they ran from the police, so they're getting snacks here.
Thank you. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Okay. Oh, we Alright. Huh?
The door better not close.
I know. Hold up.
He's probably looking at us.
Oh my god, that hurts. Dude, my head almost flew. That was whack. We came to pick up a pizza because we got hungry. And yes, we're still handcuffed.
People, we're always gonna get stares, so it's
Yeah.
okay.
And we came and they literally started staring at us, and they probably thought that we were like fugitives or something. And I was like, oh no, it's for a YouTube video. Subscribe if you want. Yeah. And the guy was just like, and walked away. I was like, okay, whatever, man. So yeah, that's all I gotta say. So we came to the mall, and yes, we're still handcuffed because we are keeping this damn promise. I'm so done. Honestly, I just want the day to finish. I want to go to sleep, but I know I'm gonna sleep with this, which is annoying.
Ow, my arm!
I'm just so done, guys. Honestly, I'm hungry too. So let's go. Let's see. We're getting off through my side. There's no we're getting off through yours. We're never gonna see these people again, so it's fine.
I'm dancing.